Welcome to this quick tutorial on setting up business hours in Servis Software. Follow these simple steps to configure your business hours effectively. Let's get started. First, log into your Servis Software account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Next, navigate to the Settings menu on the left-hand side of the screen and select Organization. From there, scroll down and you will see the Business Hours section. On the Business Hours page, you will see the current business hours setup. Click on the Update Business Hours button to set up the new business hours. A pop-up will appear where you can enter the details for your business hours. Fill in the days of the week, opening and closing times, and any other required fields. Once you've filled in the details and set the options, click the Save button to add the new business hours to your schedule. You'll be taken back to your business hours where you can see the new business hours listed. If you need to make any changes, click the Edit button again to update the business hours. And that's it. You've successfully set up new business hours in Servis Software. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.